Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode I'm going to make a Cobra's Fang, a Caribeño, and some Mediterranean flatbread. So come join me, my little Chihuahua Mookie. We've saved you a seat at the bar. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. We got a great episode coming up. Today I'm going to make Mediterranean flatbread on the barbecue for Appies with Chappy by the lake. But first up, I'm going to make a quick drink. I'm going to make a Caribeño. Now, according to Mr. Martin Kate of the world-famous Smuggler's Cove, you can use light rum or gin for a Caribeño, so I'm going to go with gin today. I got my trusty tiki mug. It's already full of ice. So we'll do 2 ounces of gin. And then I got a ½ ounce of Demerara syrup. It's basically just a simple syrup with Demerara sugar. I made it myself. And then 4 ounces of coconut water. And that is a Caribeño. What are you looking at, Mookie? All right, coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
All right, I'm going to do some Mediterranean flatbread. So I just have a rack here. I give it a spray with a little ham. And I have a Pillsbury pizza crust dough. Just going to throw it on the rack. So we'll spread it out over the rack. It comes in a rectangle, so nice and easy. All right, so we're going to add the Mediterranean flavors. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then I have some Kalamata olives. And then I'm going to just do a little bit of oregano. I'll get some salt and pepper on there and put it on the grill. So I got my flatbread. I'm going to make a Cobra's Fang. So for a garnish, I'm going to try to do sort of a little snake as an orange peel garnish. Okay, there's my snake. Try and give him a little. Just gonna make him a little head. Alright, so there's my snake and his head. And I got a toothpick. I'm gonna give him 2 eyes. And there's my garnish for my Cobra Fang. Drop some ice into my cocktail shaker. So 1/2 ounce dark rum, 1/2 ounce of light rum, 2 ounces of Hawaiian Sun Lua Punch. I have some Hawaiian Punch as a substitute. So 2 ounces of Hawaiian Punch. A 1/2 ounce of orange juice. That's a 1/2 ounce of orange juice. That's a 1/2 ounce of falernum. Check out my game day episode part 2 where I make my own falernum. Okay, a 1/4 ounce of lime juice. So just gonna squeeze some lime, fresh lime. A dash of Angostura bitters. And a dash of grenadine. Alright, we're going to give that a shake. And that's a Cobra Fang with my snaky garnish to go with my Mediterranean flatbread. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and please hit the subscribe button. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.